Night before the trip. To the trips.
How do I end it?
The slime freak out is coming.
Here we go! Zoe!
Sorry, my brain saw you.
Hi.
Hey, you good. They're wild adventures. Good, beautiful.
Here we go! Yep, there. Ah! Shut the window. Shut it. Shut the window!
See where we're going.
Sean's going to see my parents, but I'm going to see my dogs. On the road again.
I can't wait to be on the road again.
Eyes on the road. Junior! Got the J.
She's the only J for us. After 20 minutes of driving, somebody looks at me and says, I have to poop.
You ready to see some real speed? I said it.
Stop sign.
Getting McDonald's.
Man's got his window down a bit. Mask him. Mask him. Mask him. Mask him.
Does it have cheese?
Yeah, it has cheese.
But no bread.
No bread.
Do you hold it in a wrapper? When you eat it? When you use it?
You can hold it in a wrapper.
But you're able to hold it by itself.
Yes. You made a breakthrough when you realized it was a food object.
Not often 20 questions is played with food. Is it a crunch wrap?
It's a crunch wrap! Yes!
Hey, that wasn't that bad.
No reflections if you roll the window. Alright, we got the cows. Okay, back to the game. I spy something black. Yet. What a beautiful plateau. You didn't see that at all.
There's another one.
It's too.
We're literally 5 minutes away. Less than 5 minutes away.
Less than 5 minutes.
We're gonna put some royalty-free music over it.
We're
Over
gonna
the whole
overcook
thing.
music over it.
What is that? It's Bigfoot!
Look, there's a cloud. Oh my god! What could it be? Drive. And the house.
We're here!
It's 50 degrees. We are hunting for Shrek.
Oliver Shrek. Cycling. Oliver Shrek. He's like, I don't know what it is. We're cooking meat pies.
Is this how one shreds the cabbage?
Wait. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what we want.
now showered and changed and getting ready for preparing the things. Can't see anything out here except the pouring rain.
Yeah, they're not burnt. They're just
Oh,
perfectly crisp.
everybody loved them.
What's up? She's like, ew, what are you doing? Bless you.
Today we're going to Big Trees.
Big trees.
When she takes too long to do her nails and you're ready to go.
It's glitter. It takes a long time. Shut up.
Vlog number
Oh,
one,
no,
we
someone-
got pulled over.
Someone needed help over there.
Oh,
Oh, thank God.
whew, that was close.
It wasn't close.
My God, drive better. The Elsa.
There's that for you. Thank you. The Elsa taste test from Deo. Blue raspberry, white chocolate.
Yes, it tastes like her. It's still very sweet, but
Yeah.
with a less chocolatey sweetness.
Oh. I get the raspberry a little bit.
Yeah,
It kind of hits
but
you
not,
first.
Yeah, not super big though.
That's delicious.
Thank you, Dale.
Sean.
Did he thumb up us?
I don't know. Alright, anyways, this is downtown Sonora. That's our favorite Mexican restaurant.
That is the third Dale on our trip.
Deo number 4.
Number 5. I gotta touch it. Oh, it's really hard. That is just thrilling. Wow, that's a big tree.
That's oh, it is steaming. Why is everything steaming? Almost immediately, visitors began traveling up the rough trail to what became known as the Calaveras Grove. Although Dowd was not the first person to have seen them, it was his discovery that sparked the worldwide fascination with the mammoth trees. In 1853, the year after Dowd's discovery, the very tree he had first seen was stripped of its bark and felled.
Looks like a Madagascar tree. You know, a baobab.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It sounds hollow in here. You know that world in Mario where he's like really small and everything's really big?
No.
It's like this.
Oh. Yeah, okay.
Ooh, go in the tree cave.
Oh, there's water in it.
I want to get the crunch real good. That was really unsatisfying. Oh yeah.
Glob. I think it's a bird nest. Look at that.
Yeah. There's some ice on the floor I was looking at. And then I thought I saw another ice, but it was a metal ball. Wow.
Yeah.
If anybody knows what these are, comment down below.
Okay. Weirdo. Sean. Stop. It's a rock. Look at all the woodpecker holes.
Do you want me to say it?
I thought you were setting yourself up for the joke.
What a big pecker. Ha!
Say? Like the sugar pines, the pine cones are that big. That big.
Yeah, super
and then
big.
this tree is 200, 300 feet tall, and its cone is an inch.
That
Just
big.
a wee little dude.
Surrounding us are five different types of trees. These are them. If you can find them,
Giveaway.
leave a comment below and we'll give you a pine cone.
Stop it. We can't take pine cones. It's illegal.
I didn't say one from here.
I hope the camera's picking up his noise.
Oh, he sees us.
Yeah, he sees us. We're giant.
Trying to get it to focus.
You see how tiny he is? I'm not gonna focus. He's far away. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
It's not a chicken. We are going to try and go ice skating.
He'll grab the victim, the prey, by its throat and squeeze and wait for it to die.
It's a constrictor.